Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add music to Instagram post. So let's get started. So to add a music to your Instagram post, what you can do is just simply open up your Instagram application. After opening up your Instagram application, now what you can do is just simply tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom middle of your screen. After tapping on the plus icon, now what you can do is just tap on next. After selecting a post, you have to tap on next. So after selecting a post, just tap on next. And after tapping on next, now what you can do is just add a filter to your post. So after selecting a filter, what you can do is just tap on next, which is on the top right. And now in order to add a music, what you can do is just tap on this third option which says add music. Now for tapping on add music, now you can add any music that you like. So in search bar you can search for any music. So after searching for a music, what you can do is just select that music and then add a frame of that music that you would like to add to your post. And now what you can do is just select the frame of that music that you would like to add to your post. For example, I like to select this much, so you have to select a 30 seconds frame. So after selecting that, now what you can do is just tap on the tick icon which is on the top right corner of your screen and then tap on share. After tapping on share, just tap on share posts. And after tapping on share post, you have successfully posted this music on Instagram. And after tapping on post, you have successfully added a music to your post on Instagram. So that's it guys, this is how to add music to Instagram post. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.